Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video we're going to use the Black Widow key machine here. We're going to be cutting an HU100 key to a Chevy Equinox, and that's an 8-cut system here. So we'll go to our favorites, and I'm just going to type in HU, we get to 100 8-cut, and we do have the key code for it, so we're going to go ahead and code cut it, and it's Z4833, so we'll enter that in, Z4833. And we'll just hit search. And there's our bidding right there. So we'll go ahead and we'll select that. And it's going to just tell us that it's the B jaw and the second line. So we'll jump over to the key machine. Got our HU100 blank right here. Get it chucked up in the vise. And head over, hit cut. And it's just telling us we got 2mm cutter, and we'll go ahead and we'll do 3 passes. And I got the speed. I'm going to pump the speed up to 8, and I'm going to hit cut, and make sure we're using 2mm cutter, and we are. So we hit OK, and the machine will do its thing here. Alright, side one. Go ahead and just brush it off here, flip it over. And hit cut. And we'll go and we'll cut side 2 here. All right, there's side 2. The chips off of it here. And go ahead and grab our lock, which happens to be in ignition. And we'll go ahead and we'll test it out here. Insert the key. And works perfectly that way. Flip it over. And all right, beautiful, perfectly working key. So there's an HU100 8-cut cut on the Black Widow key machine. And I'll go ahead and throw this in the Black Widow playlist on my channel here if you want to check out more key cutting videos with this awesome machine. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.